Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. So we implemented the algorithm for the phase 1, we completed it. Today we will start defining the algorithm for the phase 2 of the solution. I will start with the output of the phase 2 for the test case 6. So I will do it by hand. So we have at the end of the phase 2, we have this formula. So first thing that I would do by hand, it will be to put the right hand side and the left hand side in parentheses. Okay, so I have two expressions here in parentheses, that is the summation of different tokens. Okay, then what I will do, I will factor out the unknown on the left hand side. So that will be from f times x, so I will have here times x, and then from this first token I will remove star.x. Okay, if I have a token that is x, I will leave 1. If I have a token that is minus x, this will be my negative 1. Okay, so then the next step will be to divide on both sides by this factor. Okay, I will have to estimate the value of this factor of x to determine if it is negative or positive. So in our case, f was the 26, so 26 plus 1, so I will just write down here, estimate f plus 1 minus 1. Then I will have if positive, then I will say I take this term from here and I'm dividing it here. This is our solution. And then if negative, this will be x is smaller than this value. So we know that this value is 9, so we will have x is larger than 9 if f is positive, which is our case, and we will change the formula sign if this term is negative. I will save this one as analysis 006.txt. Okay, and we will use this solution by hand to implement the algorithm of the phase 2 on the future lessons. So, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.